let's talk about the best in show for stocks. Because joining me now is Pence Capital Management CIO Dryden Pence. And you do have some good best in show picks, if you will. Let's hit those really quick, because the first one's Microsoft.
Exactly. I mean, with this recent sell-off that we've had, we think Microsoft has entered into an area where it's quite attractive. And the reason why is they have tremendous amount of growth coming forward. And when you look at how embedded Copilot will be, when you look at all of its technology, it's going to be ubiquitous across everything that we do. And so we think long-term Microsoft becomes a great AI winner, and we think that it's got really good long legs here.
You know, some have said that Amazon has been a little behind on the AI story, at least with the chatbot side of it. They've got Amazon Web Services. I think that's a winner, but that is one of your picks as well.
It is, and for a little bit of a different reason. When you look at Amazon, 4 out of every $10 that we spend on online retail runs through Amazon, and they're going to have a great deal of increased efficiency from AI. They're ending up, when you basically are going to able increase your productivity, your labor productivity, and all the things they do with delivery, that's going to increase margins long term. So the behavior of retail, increasing margins, increasing labor productivity, Amazon has a long-term run here.
Okay, you also like GE Aerospace. We've got about 2.5 minutes. I want to get into kind of general markets with you, because one of the things that you say is that there's 3 things that are going to drive this economy and drive the markets for the year. You are bullish, and you say it's taxes, monetary policy, and labor productivity. We just found out we're going to get claims tomorrow. So labor productivity could also, on the flip side, be maybe a softer jobs market.
Well, when you think about it, the break-even job replacement number now is about 35,000. A couple of years ago, we had to have 250,000 jobs to hit the break-even. Now it's only 35,000. So I think whatever that number is, we're in a pretty good shape, and we're going to continue to see labor force expansion. But labor force productivity is the winner. The last 2 quarters, we had a 4% growth. The other thing, when we talk about the tax policy that you brought up, most people don't realize that between the over-withholding that we have, everyone's going to get a bigger refund.
You're going to get more money.
You're going to get more refund. Plus, you're going to get lower taxes. You add that up, it's $790 billion worth of additional money coming into the economy this year. That's almost as big as the $860 billion that we put in COVID.
Yeah.
So you have this tremendous stimulus coming in for the rest of this year that I think is going to be quite positive.
Well, Treasury Secretary Bessent had said, look, we're talking $1,000 to $2,000 extra in returns, and plus also the write-offs for businesses.
Exactly.
That doesn't get talked enough, but that's also going to be very helpful in this filing.
And some of the, like when you take a look at Microsoft, Amazon, all the big guys, they're going to get tens of billions of dollars of additional write-offs that they're going to have. All of that becomes accretive to earnings.
All right. Well, speaking of earnings, how are you feeling right now? We're getting close. I guess we're kind of in the middle of the session right now for fourth quarter.
So far, 80% of the companies have beat earnings. And so we're getting earnings beat after earnings beat after earnings beat. Yeah, this is as it spreads out into not just the Mag 7, but the 493. All the rest of the companies are seeing this increase in earnings as we go through. So we're constructive about this.
I heard somebody say that the Mag 7 is now the mushy 7 because things have changed so much, and that made me laugh. So I mean, we are going to get Google Alphabet after the bell, so we'll see what they give us. But
Absolutely.
Anyway, it sounds like you're looking for good things.
We are looking for good things. We think it's going to go very well forward.
All right, Dryden Pence, thank you so much. Really appreciate your time. Great picks from you.